One thing I can tell you is with this job, you definitely build muscles. Hey, it's Emma Louise Hamilton here from the Amazon Dream. Today I'm going to be going into store, not to actually source, but to collect some items that I ordered. It's only 4 p.m, but it's pitch black outside. I'm outside the shopping complex where I'm going to go inside and collect my things. As you can see, there's a massive Tesco there, but it's not Tesco I'm going into, it's going to be Superdrug. If you are in the Amazon FBA Dream Facebook group, you will have seen that Superdrug had £10 off a £50 spend. That offer was an online offer only, and the items that I wanted were actually sold out online, hence the reason why I'm going into store to collect the items. Collecting items in store that are unavailable for home delivery tend to have less competition simply because of the additional step of going in store. So I'm just collecting my orders. My hands are going to be full because there are quite a few boxes. There's actually a few more boxes that they're going to collect from the back. There's about 7 boxes in total. I spent just over £400 because I bought a lot of electrical items like electric toothbrushes and electric razors to make the most out of that offer. One thing I can tell you is with this job, you definitely build muscles. The next stop is Argos. I'm outside. I've got quite a lot of toys to collect as they recently had 20% off their toys. That was in addition to the cashbacks you can get as well. I've got my black bags to help carry the items as I think there was quite a lot that I ordered. So let's go inside and get my order from Argos. So I'm in Argos at the pay point to collect the items. As I mentioned, Argos had 20% off toys last week. Most of the items were out of stock for home delivery, so I've come in store to collect them. So I've got 2 sacks there and I'm waiting for some more to come out the back. That's how you know when you buy and resell items, when you can no longer use normal bags and you need to use black bags to carry all your stock. You can find similar discount codes mentioned in this video, like the £10 off a £50 spend at Superdrug through online arbitrage deals. They will often share any active discount codes alongside the deals they provide. Additionally, with it being the week of Black Friday and Cyber Monday approaching, I'm using the service to stay on top of all the offers and catch any deals that I may miss when manual sourcing. If you are already signed up to online arbitrage deals, be sure to take advantage of the bonus deals being given.